This prolific plant absolutely has stunning flowers. They are blue and they definitely are a showstopper, as you can see. Look at them. And not only are they beautiful, you absolutely can consume them. Yeah. Another amazing fact about this plant is that they are very great companion plants. I'm also growing Puerto Rican black beans as well as pumpkins within the same grow bag. Now, I do have to warn you, as this is really important. You want to harvest them when they are flowers. If they turn into the pods, it's a no. It's a no-no, okay? They can be poisonous, okay? They are poisonous. So again, only the flowers, okay? Be safe. If you are an organic gardener like myself, it is important to rinse those flowers off, as they may have some critters that you don't want to consume. Here is some lavender, sugar. Mind your business. I'll tell you what we're making. Mind your business. 6 cups of water. Okay? 6. You have probably guessed it by now, okay? But 5 to 8 lemons, your preference. Now you want to infuse your lavenders, okay? And I'm so sorry, I have 3 tablespoons of lavender. You want to infuse it in the water that you're going to use. And you want to infuse it at least 1 hour or overnight, whatever you prefer. Look at those beautiful flower petals. They just stand out, don't they? With the lavender. So you have infused your water with the lavender as well as the blue butterfly pea overnight, or at least an hour. Now let's go ahead and slice your lemons up. Your water should look like this. So beautiful, right? Just like a goddess. Now listen, I don't have a citrus squeezer at the moment, so I'm gonna squeeze these babies. If you have a citrus squeezer, you know you do your thing, okay? My hands were hurting after this. Look at all that lemon juice. Can you taste it? Now strain it so that you won't have any seeds in your what? Lemonade. Now what you do with the seeds is up to you. However, I'm a gardener. I'm gonna save those seeds, okay? Pour your lemon juice as well as your infused water into a half-gallon pitcher of your choice. And as you can see, magic. The blue turned purple. So beautiful, so magical. Because I'm a little extra and like to be a little fancy, I'm going to go ahead and add some lavenders. Those lavenders that we used, as well as the blue butterfly pea flowers that we used. It just makes it more pretty. Don't judge me. Now go ahead, just watch the sugar. Just watch the sugar pour, okay? Now stir it up real good, okay? Because you want all of that goodness. You want to incorporate all of them flavors. And there you have it, friends. A beautiful goddess lemonade. I hope you really enjoyed this. Go ahead and make sure you pour you some after you have chilled it, or of course add ice. I really hope you enjoyed this. Please, if you love this, please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more. Take care.